Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to add more application to our home screen right here. So if we want to have more application in our home screen, we simply have to go to our main menu. We choose application we want to add. Let's say we want Facebook on the main screen. We simply tap and hold and add to home. As you can see, now our Facebook is here on our home screen. Then to move this application, we simply tap and hold and drag it where we want it to be. The same if we want to remove application from our home screen, we simply tap it and hold and now remove, not uninstall, remove. And now our application disappeared from our home screen, but it's still on our phone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.